How to turn off My AI on Snapchat. First, open your Snapchat account and click your profile icon on the upper left corner of your screen and select My AI. Just remember that this feature is only available on Snapchat Plus. It is written here in the support or help page of Snapchat on how to unpin or remove My AI from chat feed that Snapchat Plus subscribers receive early access to new My AI features and have the ability to unpin or remove My AI from their chat feed. Unfortunately, for me, I don't have Snapchat Plus, so I don't have this feature. If you do have Snapchat Plus, it should appear here in the messages by clicking My AI and then clicking Chat Settings. The option to remove My AI should be here. But if you are like me who doesn't have this feature but want to use this, we suggest to send a recommendation or suggestion to Snapchat. You can do this by going to your profile and going to Settings, located on the upper right corner of your screen, and then simply scroll down to find Feedback and click I have a suggestion. Just choose anything here and then write your suggestion message. Once you're finished, just click submit and that's it. Unfortunately, that's all we can do for now, but let's wait for updates in the near future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.